water on Mars.
Yes, sir.
They've been sending spacecraft into Mars, and they say, well, they've seen some frozen stuff. They've been checking some other areas, and even on the moon. What can you tell us about that?
Well, first of all, we've done experiments on the moon. Now, for there to be water on the moon, it would be ice. And for there to be ice, it has to be in shaded areas. So these are the poles, north and south pole of moon. And on Mars, again, we have found subterranean ice. So, okay. Now, number one, the existence of water does not indicate the existence of life.
That's right.
That's the first thing.
Yeah.
Now, we know of liquid water on some of the moons of some of our planets. We've even found liquid water under the surface of Pluto. Okay, now, so what? You see, the evolutionists want you to believe if we find water, it means there's life. That's not true. If you find water, you found water. And water and life are not equal. Now, you have to have water in order to have life, but because you have water doesn't mean there is life.
That's correct.
Okay?
Yes.
Now, if we read the Bible, day one, when the earth was spoken into existence, it had a water covering, correct?
Yes.
So why not the other planets? There's nothing in the Bible that would say that the moon possibly had water when it was created, and Mars is a planet. But people forget that Mars has a much lower gravity than Earth. Venus is closer to the size of the Earth. Mars is significantly smaller. So while it has enough gravity to hold us down, it's still, like the moon, much less. Okay, so it's a low gravity environment. And the atmosphere is very, very thin.
Okay.
Well, I'll try to do this quickly. So if the Earth was created with water on the surface, why wasn't Mars created with water on the surface? But because gravity, because of the changes of the environment there, it no longer exists on the surface. Okay, so what? It's totally consistent with creation.
That's right.